Hello students, today's class is for ICSE 2026 batch students and today's class is on chapter circle. I have decided to give classes continuously on that various chapters what are important for ICSE 2026 batch students, and I will discuss minutely and so that the important sums only can be discussed in my classes. I hope you will stay with me, and in these all videos you will get all the important inputs and what are important for the board examination only will be discussed here, and I hope all will understand. Not only will understand, but you will execute in the exam hall. Just with patience, see the sums how I am showing to you. And one good news I am telling you, last in my video, that means I shared similar way 5 important sums on the chapter circle, and fortunately 2 sums came exactly same in the board. Now here for ICSE students also, and I hope I'll get a chance to show you different sums on various chapters, and as your exam is on 2nd March, I hope I'll stay with you, and your support is needed. Like, comment, share and distribute this name of the channel, as this is the initiative of the Bengali Guide man, and I am here, Vishwanath Chatterjee, showing you all the important sums for the board exams. So please stay with me and see today's class. I am starting. Question number 1. In the given figure, given below, AC is a diameter of the circle. AC is the diameter of the circle. AP equals to 3 centimeter, AP equals to 3 centimeter, PB equals to 4 centimeter, PB equals to 4 centimeter, and QP perpendicular to AB. QP perpendicular to AB. This is 90 degree. That means here it is given, it is 90 degree. So if the area of the triangle APQ is 18 square centimeter, that is APQ, this part is, if this area is 18 square centimeter, then find the area of the shaded portion QPBC. Okay, that means here it is in the sum already shaded portion is given. This is the shaded portion. Suppose this area we have to find out. This area we have to find out. So how to solve this kind of sums? See this, here first of all it is mentioned that here AC is the diameter. As AC is the diameter, definitely it is passing through the center, there is no doubt, and even any angle formed on the circle, and that formation is with the diameter, then the angle formed by the diameter on the circle is of 90 degree. That we already know, because the angle formed by the semicircle is 90 degree, already we know. So here just you write down here. Acha, diagram is must. That diagram always in the exam hall you draw the diagram what is given. Here just to save our time we are not drawing once again. If required definitely we will draw, but it is not so difficult diagram, so we are not drawing. Here it is, we are finding that angle ABC. Here angle ABC equals to 90 degree. ABC equals to 90 degree. Since AC is the diameter. Okay, now here from the triangle APQ, and triangle ABC and triangle ABC, we see angle APQ equals to 90 degree given, and angle ABC also is 90 degree equals to angle ABC. At the same time, here we are finding angle A is common. Follow? Angle A is common. As angle A is common, so we can write here angle A is common. So therefore we can tell triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC, and by AA axiom of similarity. Okay, therefore the ratio of the square of the sides equals to ratio of the areas of the corresponding triangles. So hence we can take AP square by AB square equals to area of APQ, area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC. Now see here, AP square by AB square equals to area of the triangle APQ by area of the triangle ABC. We can write it. So here AP square is what? 3 square, and this is already AP equals to 3 given and PB equals to 4. Therefore AB equals to what? Now AP plus PB. So AP plus PB what? 3 plus 4 whole square equals to triangle of APQ. It is given already, triangle of APQ is 18 square centimeter. By this one we don't know, so write down triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, just we are writing it. Hence from here easily area of triangle ABC equals to, we can write, now 3 plus 4, 7 square means 49, and 3 square means 9 by 49, and this is 18 here. So this one, if it is going to that side, so 18 into 7 square means 49 by, we can write that 3 square means 9 to ja 18. So 49 to ja equals to, we can tell that 98 square centimeter. We are getting that area of triangle ABC is 98 square centimeter, but it is asked find the area of the shaded portion QPBC. Therefore the area of the shaded portions equals to total area is 98 minus this area of triangle APQ, that is 18, and this is square centimeter equals to 80 square centimeter. I hope you understood this sum. Now let's do the next sum. Let's see this question. In the given figure, two circles touch each other. I have drawn the circle here for the convenience of solving the sum. Whatever the question is there, if the diagram is there, you need to draw the diagram, otherwise you will face problem. So in the given figure, two circles touch each other. They are touching each other, we are finding at point C, and AB is a tangent, common tangent to both the circles, because we are seeing this is a tangent and this is common to both the circles. Find the measure of angle ACB. This is the question. So this question you have seen. So how to solve this? To get this is asked. What is this? This question is asked. Okay. Now let a tangent CP be drawn on AB. So draw a tangent. A tangent has been drawn. So it is P we are writing, CP. So we are giving the name P, CP. As we know, the tangents drawn from a distant point are always equal. So we can write here AP equals to CP. Similarly, we can tell CP equals to PB. AP equals to CP and CP equals to PB. We can write. Reason what we can write, since tangents drawn from the distant points are equal. So easily we can write. Now follow of the triangle APC. Therefore we can write of the triangle APC, angle PAC equals to angle PCA. We can write or not? Why? Now from the triangle APC, this equals to this. As this equals to this, definitely the base angles are equal, since base angles of the isosceles triangle APC are equal, or the angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Is equation number 1. De do. Now again similarly we can tell that angle PBC equals to angle PCB. We can tell PCB same, since base angles of triangle PCB are equal, or angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. That also you can mention here. So this is equation 2 here naming. Now adding equation 1 and 2. What we can do? Now angle PAC plus angle PBC. Angle PAC plus angle PBC equals to what you can write now, angle PCA plus angle PCB. Any doubt? This plus this equals to this plus this. We can write again PCA plus PCB. Therefore angle ACB we can write equals to angle ACB. Yes or no? We can write. Now follow means one technique we have to apply. Actually they are asking ACB angle. So ACB angle from these two angles, how we can determine that this and this. So if we apply one trick, means just by adding, we are writing adding angle ACB to both sides. Angle ACB to both sides. What we are getting? Angle ACB to both sides. If we do, then what we can write? Here we are writing, okay? So we can write now angle PAC plus angle PBC plus ACB equals to ACB plus ACB another. So angle twice angle ACB. And here follow karo of this triangle ACB, angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA equals to 180 degree, because here PAC PBC, that means we are denoting this angle and this angle. Yes or no? This angle and this angle we are denoting. That means easily we can say PAC means BAC and PBC means ABC we can write. So PAC means we can write BAC angle BAC plus angle PBC we can write ABC angle ABC plus angle ACB equals to twice angle ACB. Now sum of the angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle 180 degree. So easily we can write that is 180 degree. 180 degree equals to twice angle ACB. From here angle ACB equals to 90 degree. I hope you understood this sum. Okay, now next sum. See question number 3. In the given figure, a circle touches the side DF of triangle EDF at H and touches ED and DF produced at K and M respectively. If EK equals to 9 cm, then find the perimeter of the triangle EDF. So here is the circle and this circle is touching at point H, K and M. This H is on DF and this K and M are on produced ED and produced EF. That means whenever ED is produced to K, this K is touching the circle, and whenever EF is produced to M, this M is touching the circle. Now telling to find out the perimeter of the triangle EDF. How to do this sum? Okay, now see here. Here given, what are given? Given is that given is H is on DF. Also given EK equals to 9 centimeter. What to find out? The perimeter. The perimeter of triangle EDF. This is the question mark and it is only asked. Okay. Here, as we have, what we have? EK equals to EM. Why? Now since tangents from the distant point are equal. Tangents from the distant point are equal. EK equals to EM. Similarly, what we can say? Similarly, we can say KD equals to DH and MF equals to FH. Similarly, because tangents from the distant point, here the D is the distant point of the tangents KD and HD, and F is the distant point where the two tangents HF and MF meet. So we can say that means this also are equal, FH. Okay, now see here, since EK equals to KD plus DE, KD plus DE equals to KD means DH plus DE. We can say this is equation 1 we are giving. Again EM equals to, we are getting MF plus FE equals to, here MF means HF plus FE. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Why we are adding this equation 1 and 2? We are adding to get the value of EK. Because here EK and EM, if we add, then we can say it is 2 EK. Means we can say EK plus EM equals to, definitely next line we can tell EK plus EM. EK plus EM means these two equations if we add EK plus EM. So easily we can write to EK plus EK only we can write. EK means what? KE means KE, EK means KE. So EK plus EK we can write because EM equals to EK. Since EM equals to EK, we can tell. And here we are getting DH plus FH, DH plus FH, DH plus FH plus DE plus EF, EF or FE, same thing, equals to DH plus FH, DH plus FH, what you can say na DF plus DE plus EF and EK plus EK, 2K, it is asked here, that means EK is given, 2EK equals to, देखो, perimeter of any plane figure is sum of its sides. If it is a circle, then the whole circumference will be its perimeter. Now in case of a triangle, the perimeter of the triangle is sum of its three sides. So here we are getting DF, DEF. These are the three sides of the triangle EDF. So automatically we can say equals to perimeter of the triangle EDF. We can write easily. We can write. So EK equals to half perimeter of the triangle EDF. And EK means what? EK means already 9 centimeter is given. So here instead of EK we can write 9 centimeter we can write. And if we can write 9 centimeter equals to half perimeter of the triangle EDF, then obviously you have got the answer. I know 18 you got the answer. Therefore we can say perimeter of the triangle EDF equals to 9 into 2 centimeter equals to 18 centimeter, and that is the answer. I hope you understood this sum. Okay, chalo, next the question number 4. Now see the next sum. I said you, in the given diagram the radius of the circle with center O is 3 centimeter. Here it is that given radius of the circle as देखो center O is the center, as O is the center, definitely OB equals to 3 centimeter given. P and PB are the tangents, PA and PB are the tangents to the circle which are at right angle to equal to each other, which are right angle to each other. Find the length of OP. This is asked. Find the length of OP is asked. Here it is. This one is asked. OP is asked. Find the length of OP. What will be the length of OP? How to find it out? Now see here. Since AP and BP are the tangents. Therefore, AP equals to BP, since tangents drawn from the distant point are equal. So here we are getting these tangents are equal, we are finding. Now what we are getting, that we have to find OP. So join AO and join AO. So here AO equals to OB equals to 3 centimeter, being equal radii. At the same time, if we join it, what we are getting? This is also 90 degree. You will ask why, sir? Already some of you know that the line drawn from the center onto the tangents always make 90 degree with the tangents. since lines drawn from the center of a circle onto the tangents, means at the point of contact of the tangents, make 90 degree with them, means with the tangents. Therefore, we can say OAP, angle OAP equals to angle OBP, OBP equals to 90 degree. Also given APB, angle APB, but angle APB equals to 90 degree, given already. Therefore, angle AOB, therefore angle AOB also equals to 90 degree. Why? Now sum of the angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360 degree, and 360 degree minus, since minus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 degree. So we are getting 90 degree only. So since sum of the angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Now the fact is, here we are finding this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, at the same time as this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Definitely we can say this parallel to this. At the same time, whenever we are finding this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, so we can tell this is also parallel to this one. And the sides opposite, here that opposite sides are parallel, we are finding, as the opposite sides are parallel, and even this one we know 3 centimeter, this is we know 3 centimeter. So definitely it's nothing but a square. Therefore AOBP is a square, because that sides opposite means they are cutting, all angles are of 90 degree and even the sides are parallel to each other. Therefore it's nothing but a square. So here we are getting what? Now here OBPA or AOBP is a square. So if it is a square, then OP will be what? Therefore, here I am writing, therefore OP is the diagonal of the square. A root 2. So here A root 2 we are getting. So here what is that? A is the side. Side is here, all are the same sides, 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. Therefore, the length of OP is 3 root 2 centimeter. This is that answer. I hope that you understood this sum. Okay. Now for the next sum. Now series last sum, 5 number. In the given figure, PA and PB. PA, this is suppose PA and PB are tangents to the given circle, and angle APB equals to 60 degree given. Find the length of the chord. This length of the chord, this is chord. Mind it, some students they make mistakes that this chord, they means of their own think that it is passing through the center. No, it is not passing through the center, because it is not mentioned here. Simply a chord. Even if it is passing through the center, so in that case definitely from the center any line if is drawn on the tangent, then so that should be 90 degree. So if it is passing through the center, then so it will be 90 degree, and 90 plus 90 only 180 degree. So for the sum of the angles of a triangle, it would be to more than 180 degree. So definitely it's a chord not passing through the center. The chord which passes through the center, that is diameter, we know. Now in this circle, this is 60 degree given, this is 5 centimeter. But easily we can write here AP equals to BP. Same reason, what that? Tangents drawn from the distant point are equal. So therefore these two are equal. As these two are equal, therefore base angles also will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Yes or no? So we can tell, therefore angle BAP equals to angle ABP equals to, this is what, total 180 degree minus 60 degree by 2, because total sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now 180 degree minus 60 degree, whatever the angles comes, that value will be divided into these two angles. Therefore we can tell BAP, angle BAP equals to angle ABP equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree by 2 equals to, we are getting 60 degree only. Hence triangle ABP is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, its all sides are equal. Its all sides are equal. Therefore, AB equals to 5 centimeter. So, it is one simple sum, as MCQ only will come. But I hope this sum you understood. Okay. Now, the fact what I need to tell you, if I get the scope, then more sums definitely I'll give along with other chapters from the circle chapters also. So, with patience, follow me, and I hope before your board exam on 2nd March, I will provide you some very important, some informations about the specific sums which are going to come in boards only. Okay, so for that day, all the best.